So I got my maxxair fan in the mail, and I'm just waiting on the butyl tape to come in so I can install it. I just wanted to show some up close pictures of it, talk about a few things about it, questions like that I had when I was searching for this. One thing I really like about this is what I got. I got the main part here. This is the part that goes on where you cut your hole. But this big unit bolts into here, and it's got this seal, so all you have to do is take that part up on your roof and put that in, and then if anything happens to this, it just screws in right there, 4 screws, and it comes in right here. So that's kind of nice. You don't have to like take the whole thing out of the roof, and it's real easy to replace really quick if something ever does go wrong. And then this trim ring, this is what goes on the bottom, and this is cut to fit. So some of the facts about this that I really didn't even think about before, if you got different roofs, is, I'll just show you the picture here. It's 1 1/8 minimum to 6.5 maximum is what your roof thickness has to be, and it takes 12 volt DC, 5 amps. That's one of the questions I had. That's what the fuse that it requires. It probably doesn't draw that much, but that's the fuse you have to have available to use it. And then that's what it looks like on the top. That's folded down, of course. And then when you crank this, it folds this up. And I'll do some more pictures of it later. I just want to show like up real close. I haven't seen any videos that really show it, you know, this much detail about it. So, and then it's got your wire here, and it comes with these quick connectors, so you can, it's a male and female, so you can just unhook it if you needed to replace it or whatever. And that's about it. I'll be doing a video soon when my butyl tape comes in, and I'll be doing an installation video. So that's it for now. Thanks for watching.